Just like as if someone's stabbing me.
Like a knife going in.
Yeah, agonising.
You alright, mate? You need help? I can tell from here that he's not too good.
Yeah. Ha 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 ah 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 ah
Just go where you need to, mate. Just go where you need to. What did you say? Just go where you need to go. Just go where you need to go, mate. All I did was went like this.
I know what the weekend's been like.
Okay, well, that's nasty. That is nasty. Tell me where it's hurt, where you feel this when you're yelling, mate.
Right where you're down there.
Right on that spot or out from the spot?
I don't know. It's in the spot, I think.
Just ignore me. Keep doing your thing.
Okay, so the 3rd to the 5th of July at 11:30.
That disc is quite open at the front and it's quite narrow at the back there. You can see the anterior orientation of that vertebra. It's sitting right back like that. And it's not very happy on that A to P either. That disc is really swollen. Right, Dave. I'm going to help you get onto this table.
Yeah.
Alright, tell me when you're ready for some help.
No, I'm alright.
Good. This is never quite the same when a person's laying down. Watch the needle drop away about here. See, it does that. Slow, but it's there. Let your weight kind of sink a little bit, because we want to try and get these vertebrae to start moving forward by themselves.
Yeah.
It's pretty tight in there, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what we've got to do here is just milk yourself for a bit. So basically I'm just using his breathing. When I feel that it's starting to sink down a little bit deeper, I'll be able to just pick it up onto the disc a little bit.
Right.
Keep breathing. Because each of your out breaths I'm going to just push down a little bit deeper.
Yeah.
Take your hamstring muscles off a little bit, let them back off, that's good. That's good. Beautiful. That's good. That's good. Now we need you to walk.
Okay.
What's that, mate?
It feels much looser.
Looser, good. Good to hear.
When I came in the front door, I was just about hunched right over it.
Were you?
Yeah, I could only move like an inch in a step.
Okay, so you're getting your legs through a lot better then.
You can ask Georgie, I was just shuffling.
Yeah. That's why I got you in that middle rooms, because you couldn't walk any further than that.
Take the shirt off again.
Yeah, take the shirt off again. You should be able to manage this a lot easier.
Enjoy your movie.
Is that easier than before?
Oh yeah.
See that, what I'm doing there now? That's what I did to you before, but about 1/10 of that pressure. Now that we've got a little bit off that, we can shift that bone a little bit more.
Okay.
So I'm actually going to give you a deeper adjustment on it. Good. And when I get this in the right spot, I'm just going to give it a little push with my hand. Might give you a fright, but it won't hurt.
It's going like a spasm.
It's alright, just let me hold it. Spasm will slow down in a minute, mate.
Yeah.
I still haven't taken my finger off. It's really important to set and hold those. Like you saw how long I kept my hand in, like probably 30 seconds or longer. That's good. Make your steps as long as they can be, mate. You're looking much better, mate, just watching you walk. Hey Dave, stand up, mate. We want to see how good you are. Oh yeah, you're heaps better.
Heaps better. Yeah.
But that looks fantastic. You're moving really well.
Oh yeah, compared to how I was on Sunday.
It's 4 days.
Yeah, no way I thought it'd be like this.
Yeah. No, that's great, mate.
It's going to put me in a box and shoot me.
Alright, well the good thing about this at the moment, Dave, is that everything's doing what it's supposed to be doing. And no doubt we'll need to adjust this again in the future.
Yeah.
But at the moment your body's still healing.
Yeah.
So the best thing we can do is leave you alone now.
No, much better.
Good on you, mate.